Hi, it's Reset, and today I'll show you how to set up NFC and Tap to Pay on Nothing Phone 4a Pro. So first, scroll from the top and find the NFC. If you don't have it, then tap this pencil, find NFC right here, click, hold, drag, and you have it now. Click and hold onto the NFC and enable Use NFC. Then contactless payment and select Google Wallet or any other wallet app. Then find the Google Wallet on your phone. It should be right here. If you don't have it, then swipe from the top, and here you have the Google Wallet. Enable, and here install wallet. Google Play, click install. Then tap on continue, and here just tap to add a payment card here or here. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one.